Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I am so happy that you are here. Today I have my Walmart beauty box. I want to be very careful. It's very large, my address on the bottom of the box. And this is now $8.98, and I'm excited to see. It took a while to get here. The tracking was crazy. I saw it went to Salt Lake, and then it went to Colorado, and then it came back to Salt Lake, and then it went somewhere else before it finally got to me. It's been traveling around for sure. So I'm very excited to open this and see what I got. I am kind of irritated that they upped the price a little bit. I don't know if the quality, like if I'm finding the value with that new, that's supposed to be going along with it, I guess. And that could be just what I like and what they're sending. But without further ado, let's open it. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And let me know if you got the box and what you got in your own box. So here we go. That's what it looks like when you open it. It says Spring Beauty in Bloom for the spring. And then there's this big ad, which is kind of annoying because I would reuse the box, but not with this on it. Because yeah, I don't want an advertisement on the boxes that I keep. All right, so the first thing I see in here are the Soothe Tea Tree Oil and Rosemary. Oh, it's by Hask. And this is a scalp care shampoo and conditioner. I always will use shampoo and conditioner samples because I go through shampoo and conditioner quite a lot. I'm going to hold off on looking at the prices till the end. Next in here, I see this from Origin, and this is the Himalayan Jasmine Serenade Mountain Marigolds Laugh with Jasmine. So marigolds can be a little peppery, a little much for me sometimes. It says Journey to the Himalayan Mountains, notes of smiling marigolds, swaying jasmine, and intense patchouli meet. Close your eyes and breathe it in. Notes of marigold, jasmine, and patchouli. I don't know what a smiling marigold is. Are we in Alice in Wonderland? Is that where we're headed with that? It's a light floral. You definitely get the jasmine in there. I don't know if I necessarily get patchouli in there because I think it usually has a little bit more of an earthy smell. And this is pretty just a light white floral. Yeah, it's pretty. I will definitely wear it. I don't think it's one that I'd want to purchase. That's what the bottle looks like. But I have been curious about this company because I've seen them at Walmart, but I haven't smelled any of them. So it's nice enough. It's not like outstanding or like, ooh, that's something I want to try. But we shall see. Okay, we have the Tangle Teaser. We have lots of little worms in it. All right, I'm going to leave this in here because I just feeling it, trying to get those little worms out. It is not something that I would be interested in. I always brush my hair out when it is dry because when it's wet, it tends to break more. So I don't ever brush my hair when it's wet, except like maybe the scalp just to put it into a ponytail before I dry. It says prone to breakage. I feel like this is better for people who maybe have curly hair that comb it out when it is, forgive the interruption. So this, I feel like it's the people who brush their hair out when it is wet is more along the lines, this isn't something I would use. So I'm going to pass that along, which I think that's probably like the big item in the box. So that's a little disappointing. There is another larger item in here. This is the Guru Nanda whitening strips. And I feel like I have something like a pulling oil from this that I have never used, but same company. It says, let's see, it does have menthol. I might try these because I've never tried whitening strips. I have allergies to peppermint and a lot of like just sensitivities on my gums and stuff. So I don't use a lot in my mouth. You know, cinnamon toothpaste, you probably have heard me talk about it before. So this is 7 treatments or 14 strips. Natural mint flavor. I wish it would tell me what type of mint. So I might try it, and then if not, I will. I don't know who I'd pass that along to. Like my friend that I normally would pass it along to. I can't now. All right. Then we have from Good Cools. This is the Yerba Matte Wake Up Eye Gel. I have gotten this. I have several of these actually, and I have not yet used them. Yeah, the metal packaging. I have not been using a lot of eye creams lately because I had those reactions earlier this year, and so I've been using Aquifer at night and the one eye cream that was on its last legs, and I need to cut open the tube. That's the next thing. So I might, that one I probably am going to just pass along because I have too many eye creams. I'm never going to finish them all. Then we have from La Roche-Posay, this is the Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser. So this is what's advertised on the box. So we have a cleanser, it's fine. I will definitely use that because that is something that's useful. Then we have Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. Okay. I don't know where I put this on my body. Maybe, do they mean like your neck and chest? Oh my gosh, my face does not match my neck today. New foundation that I'm testing out. So, yeah, that appears to be everything except for all of the worms in there. Let's look at the prices and see. Oh, it looks like they now have it. It's just what you're getting instead of the, like, everything that's available. So the cleanser retails for full size for $19.97, and that is almost 14 ounces or 13 and a half ounces, I guess. And this is a 15 mil. So this is half an ounce. Not too bad. The eye cream, this, I'm assuming this is a full size. It's telling me it's $11.94 for a full ounce. So I think this is the full size for $5.97. This, I'm surprised that they are selling this now at Walmart because this used to be just a Beautylish and then Ulta got it, and now it seems like they're not special anymore. Sorry. Tangle Teaser, this is $12.97. So we're definitely getting the value of the box, just not a lot of things that I'm like super excited about. The teeth whitening strips are $10.47. This is a full size, it appears to be. So we have that. The perfume, it doesn't tell me what a full size is. Like, it says 605 a full ounce. I don't care what the breakdown is. I want to know how many ounces are in a full size. So it's $19.97 for a full size, which is pretty good, but this isn't really, I feel like there's something I have that's similar to this. I can't place it. Yeah, anyway, I will definitely get use out of that. That leaves my last two. So the Gold Bond full size is $11.97 for 1.71 ounces, and this is a 0.75 ounce. So that's not very big. I would not say that this is really a body lotion for that size. Like $11.97 for less than 2 ounces. That's not a body care size. And then the shampoo and conditioner are $7.97 each. So all in all, I will give this a go. I don't know. I guess I will put this in with my face creams because I will use a retinol moisturizer. Definitely will use that. So there's 4 that I know like I'm going to get use out of. These ones. The other 4 are kind of like I definitely passing them along, or I guess there's only 3. This one, not really sure about. This one, I think I have so many of it. Otherwise, I'd be pretty excited about it. And this is the biggest disappointment because this isn't something I'm necessarily interested in. So that is it for my Walmart box. Let me know if you got the same thing, what you're thinking of their new boxes, if they are living up to what they hyped them up to be or not. I feel like, yeah, I got a perfume, but it was a tiny perfume. But I want something, I don't know, a little more exciting. Give me something color-wise. A blush, a mascara even. I would take a mascara at this point. A lip gloss, something, a bronzer. Like the butter bronzer that they had a couple years ago. I loved that from Physicians Formula, and I actually used that one. And I wasn't ever interested in that before. So give us some color stuff. I feel like we need something. This is feeling more like a hygiene box than necessarily a beauty box, which there's an overlap, but I want something a little bit more exciting. Anyway, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I can't wait to talk to you next time.